7 Passive Income Ideas on a Low Income. Have you ever desired to earn passive income but didn't think you had the resources to get started? In this video, I'll share with you 7 passive income ideas that require little to no startup capital. If you're new to the market, these ideas are especially helpful. Click the following subscribe button for more inspirational articles. Idea number 1. If you have money sitting around, leverage high-yield bank accounts. If you've been about at the bank and haven't given it any thought, then, more often than not, while using bank loans, you weren't getting the most out of these cash. Sorry, but using accounts to generate passive income won't suddenly make you wealthy. Putting your money in accounts with greater yields helps accelerate your money's growth. Faster rate than usual, and you are aware of the greatest options. Generally speaking, banks don't have a minimum balance requirement. Despite the fact that you don't have much money, you can begin to earn additional interest on the money you already have, according to 2021's average savings. What many people don't know is that the account's interest rate was a pitiful 0.09%. Understand that there are a variety of superior solutions available, such as if you're looking for a cash account that pays high interest with no risk. Currently, Everyday offers an annual percentage yield, AP, of 2.44%, which is more. Since this account has no fees and is 27 times the average, the difference is you keep the interest you earn. Right about now you're probably wondering how much. What kind of impact, if any, would this make annually if you had $500? You would only receive $4 from a savings account earning just 0.09% annually. Only 4 cents a year, but in the high-interest bank account. If you earned at a rate of 2%, 4% every year, you would have 12. We'll be honest, this isn't anything to get very excited about. Requires very little work and will simply increase as you put more money into the account. If you're a decent or even good writer, establish a blog. Beginning a blog is a great method to get passive earnings. When you first start a blog, there is a significant amount of work to be done. Put content online and it begins to rise in the Google search results. Therefore, whether you keep posting material or not, you'll still be earning money. You might be wondering how people even makes money, so let me explain. As more people see your ball, i.e., readers will engage with your content. This can be done by using your affiliate links to purchase anything. Suggest buying the courses you create or simply assisting with your financial independence. One thing to keep in mind regarding this strategy of generating passive income is that it requires considerable effort, particularly in the beginning, and that this is because you'll need to do research to get people to come to your site. Write and promote your material, but remember that after it becomes live. One of the major benefits of creating a business that will bring you income month after month. All you actually need for a blog is a domain and a web address. Hosting that is frequently relatively economical, similar to how GoDaddy provides domains for. The first year might cost as little as $2.99, while the cost of 2 years is less than $30. Which gives you plenty of time for your website to begin generating passive money. When it comes to web hosting, this is also rather affordable. Hosting from HostGator costs less than $4 per month, or under $50 per year. Perhaps starting to generate passive income could be yours for the coming year. Approximately $50 annually. Idea number 3. If you enjoy writing, consider selling an ebook. But don't want to cope with the potential technical difficulties they can bring? Consider self-publishing your own ebook. If you blog, ebooks are frequently well sorted in the standard texts, which lessens the pressure on you to produce a work of art. What's even wonderful is how affordable this strategy for generating passive income can be. You're in an excellent position if you own a computer, because all you need to create a Word document with your text and a cover image, then publish your ebook. Currently, all writing, editing, and graphics can be outsourced, but if you want to publish your book, hiring a professional might be quite inexpensive. For instance, on Fiverr or Upwork, you can purchase a professional book cover for just $5 to $7. Additionally, contracting out proofreading can be done for as little as $50. You may create a resource that will provide income for you indefinitely, so let's assume you're interested in testing out this ebook industry. Amazon Kindle, direct publishing, a good place to start. It only takes a few minutes to start publishing on what is perhaps the easiest platform. Most ebooks take 1 to 2 days to appear on Kindle retailers worldwide. You can get up to 70% of royalties on each sale made to customers using Amazon KDP. Idea number 4. Offer online courses. Information is one of the best and most precious resources in the 21st century. One method to benefit from the information era is to sell things online. Digital items, such as online courses. What, you might be thinking right now? I may develop a course on the subject. Don't be alarmed, that's typical. The good news is that almost any information product has a market. Classes on web development, productivity, and even journaling are available online. It's likely that you possess a variety of skills, at least one of which can be used to create a course with lots of value. The cost of establishing an online course is extremely minimal, and most courses only include audio or video. A course creator's film or slideshow that can be created utilizing your smartphone. You may get started without spending any money. Utilizing this passive income strategy in addition to selling your courses is cost-effective as well. Given the variety of platforms available for hosting your course for free, share the revenue with a sale. For instance, if you use Udemy or Skillshare to host your course, any sales you make through these sites, 50% of the cost of the courses will be covered by organic traffic, and if you can, you will receive 97% of the buying price if you produce your own sales. Using a computer, smartphone, and your present expertise, you may be making some income. Start an ad firm for instant passive revenue, using strategy number 5. Consider the number of small enterprises in your city. Most likely, they do not successfully utilize social media to drive business their way. Most people will have a regular Facebook page, but that's not always a good thing. Not enough to get the message out in today's congested newsfeed, but there are other ways to do it. The best thing about this is that you can enter as a Facebook advertising firm owner. The way the business model works is that after setting up a client's advertising campaign, there is hardly any continuous work required of you when everything is functioning smoothly. Except for a brief daily check-in, it is a fairly hands-off operation. After everything is said and done, I still think it's a fairly passive business plan. When first starting out, you have the option of operating as a solo agency or expanding. Despite having very little experience, they are learning the ropes as they service more clients. Facebook advertising art and expertise may be learned and varied. On YouTube, there were lots of tutorials for beginners and intermediate users. Facebook marketing courses are available for as little as $20 on websites like yours and mine. You see advertisements for services like Facebook for as little as $15. Marketing helps because you are exchanging bucks for experience, which often requires less money up front than starting a physical store or producing a tangible good. How much money can you make through a Facebook agency? Facebook experts frequently charge anywhere between a few hundred and a few thousand bucks per client each month, which is why it is one of my favorite best suggestions for passive income. Concept number 6. Involved setting up an online business. With the explosion of e-commerce comes the chance to generate a profit. Stream used in an online store, and dropshipping in particular, has grown increasingly popular. And if you're not acquainted with how it works, here's a brief explanation. A customer comes to your website from a shop that sells products from a particular manufacturer. Your system delivers the order to the particular buyer and the manufacturer completes the transaction by mailing the order directly to the client, where you then take the money. You do not need to order inventory for this kind of business, which is one of its benefits, indicating a significantly cheaper initial cost, making it ideal for those with limited resources. Begin with additionally, establishing your shop might be. Numerous drop shippers set up their accounts with Shopify, which is both affordable. Charges just $30 a month, a significant reduction from the thousands of dollars. How much would it cost to launch a physical store in your city? Once your store is set up, everything else may be fully automated, which means that no matter what you do, you'll make money. Idea 7. Open a business. Every day, folks like you and I make money on the YouTube channel. YouTube, well, many people utilize it to kill time or learn new things. People use YouTube to make a living, and a large portion of this income originates from a passive form that appears whenever someone views one of your movie's advertisements. Can appear, and you can profit from such chances, or your audience can purchase your affiliate products or courses as well, earning you money without any further work on your part. Now that the tape has been revealed, the truth is that running a YouTube channel is far from being a possum-like activity. Continuous effort and video output, however, once the videos are released, serves as a digital asset that accrues income and, ideally, sales over time. But supposing you only relied on ad revenue to bring in passive income. Could your revenue stream resemble the channel far from average? Every month, this channel receives over 3 million views, which brings in huge resources. This is a big channel, so of course there will be a lot of advertising money. It will take time to get here, but even with a modest channel, making a few $100 a month is definitely achievable. What makes that better? Most YouTube channel doesn't have to be expensive beast. A YouTube phenomenon with over 20 million subscribers began using only iPhones, so starting your own channel and earning shouldn't cost you anything to get it using this method, and you have it there. You may start 7th passive income possibilities with a small investment. It will enable you to earn money while you sleep. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to go from the life you have to the life you